Hello friends! I hope everyone is doing well. I hope your little ones have been busy playing and learning. Today I'm going to share with you some fun preschool hands-on activities that go perfectly with one of our favorite books, If You Give a Mouse a Cookie. These activities include early literacy activities, preschool math, and sensory activities. And as usual, I will be sharing some free printables with all of my subscribers. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Ana. I'm a retired teacher, wife, mom, and a grandma. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. The first activity that goes with our book, If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, is the sensory bin that I put together. I have some beans, I made a printable of some cookies, and I also printed the alphabet. So I'm going to put this here. I have the little mouse as well. So I'm going to put this here. I'm going to use a couple of the little tools to scoop up the beans. This is a free printable. I have all 26 letters of the alphabet. Now, if you're teaching your little one Spanish, I'm also including the che, the ñ, and the doble L or the ella. Again, this is a free printable. I'll link it below. I put together this little box. It's a tissue box. I put the little head of a mouse, and here's the little hands. Made a little opening in the back so that we're going to feed cookies to this mouse, and then we can take out the cookies and repeat the activity. So you can use your sensory bin, and you can get your cookies from here, and your little one will just be putting them in here. Or you can use the letters, and we can do letters. And you can, ask your little one, what letter is that? A, C, and so on. For this activity, I cut some circles out of some cardboard, and I'm using some felt. I also cut several pieces, and we are going to decorate some cookies. So we're going to put the icing on the cookies, which is the felt, and then I'm using some pony beads to decorate our cookies. As your little one is picking up the little pony beads, he or she is using his pincer grasp. This is a fine motor skills activity. Our little ones need to have strong hand muscles, so all of these activities are perfect for that. This is a great activity, and it's inexpensive. All we used is some cardboard and some pieces of felt we already had. I'm using pony beads, but you can use whatever it is that you have at home. Now, if your little one is still putting things in his mouth, this is not the activity for your little one. For this activity, I'm using this printable that I created. It has the letter C. I'm using some of these glass beads, and we're going to trace the letter C. So I made a green dot where we're going to start forming our letter, and I put a red dot where we're going to end. So we're picking up our glass beads, and you can use whatever you have at home. I'm using these beads, and we're going to be forming our letter. Again, we stop over here on the red dot. You can laminate this for durability, and again, you can use whatever it is you have at home. If you have some of these little chips or buttons, whatever you have at home. Now, another thing that you can do with this activity, you can get a little car, a little toy car, and have your little one trace the letter using the little car. I'm using this little car we already had. And again, teaching your little one that we're going to form this letter. We start at the top, we're going to come around, and this is where we end. This is the letter C for cookie. And we stop at the dot. This is a free printable. I'll go ahead and link it below. I created these two printables. One is I can make, and we put the number 1 here, 1 cookie. And then this is for more than 1 cookies. So I'm going to be using Play-Doh to make some cookies. So I have these cookies that we already made, and I'm going to put the number 3. I can make 3 cookies. So here's our cookies. I'm using the pony beads to decorate the cookies. You can use buttons, beans, whatever you have at home to decorate the cookies. And again, using our magnetic numbers and this printable that I created. I'm going to go ahead and link this below. This is a free printable. This next activity is a subitizing activity. Subitizing is the ability to instantly recognize the number of objects without actually counting them. For example, this is 1 and this is also 1. Subitizing helps young children develop a strong foundation for number sense by allowing them to instantly recognize small quantities without actually counting them. So I put together some cookies, and we're going to do this activity. So that's 1. Here's a die with a 1. Here's a 10 frame with 1. And then this is a cookie, and these are tally marks. So we're going to work on this. Now we're going to do this one, 2, 2. This is also 2. And then the little gingerbread cookie has the tally marks, 3. So that is 3. This is also 3, as well as this. And I went ahead and I made this printable up to 6, and I will go ahead and link it below. If your little one's already adding, I created this printable. It has 2 plates. We're going to use a manipulative. We're going to put some cookies on our plate. So let's say I want to put 2 cookies, 2, plus 3. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 3. I'm going to put it at the bottom here. I'm using my magnetic numbers. 2 plus 3 equals 5. You can use whatever you have at home. My grandson will probably like to use this mini erasers with balls. You can use whatever you have at home. This is a free printable. I'll go ahead and link it below.
Plus 3 equals 5.
Stay there. I found this activity at Primary Playground. It's a free printable. I cannot offer it myself. You need to go look for it yourself. It's Primary Playground, but it's super cute. There's some puzzles that you're going to have to cut for your little one. And then what your little one is going to do is put these together. Here's one cookie. 2. 3, 4, and so on. She offers 1 through 10. They're super cute. They're from Primary Playground. And go ahead and find it yourself, and your little one will enjoy putting these little puzzles together. I put together this activity with the crayons, going with our story of the little mouse that wants a cookie, and this is the part where he wants some crayons. So I put together these crayons, yellow, red, blue, and green. I went ahead and put on the bottom in Spanish. We're working on our Spanish, so amarillo, rojo, azul, verde. And then in this basket, I put some clothespins, and I just color them, the colors that I'm going to be using today. And then I put some little counting bears, some of these tops from yogurt, and some buttons. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the things from our basket, like the clothespin. So there's the yellow, here's blue, here's green, verde, and here's the red one, rojo. And then we're going to work with these items. So blue, green, red, yellow. And then we would do the same with the rest of the items. It's a matching activity. We're going to be matching our little manipulatives to the right color. Like this is red, yellow, green, blue, and yellow. This is a free printable. I'll go ahead and link it below. I hope you enjoyed the activities and ideas I had for you today. I hope you will be able to use these activities with your little ones, and I hope you and your family will be blessed.